You've worn in your Birkenstocks and they are as comfortable as a second skin. Woohoo! But then you notice the footbed turning a nasty black colour. Uh-oh. As a long-term fan of Birkenstocks, I've certainly encountered this problem, and to be honest, it's quite embarrassing. I find a pair of Birkenstocks will start to go black after a summer of heavy use, which isn't ideal. Here's one of my well-loved old pair of Birks with a black footbed, so you can see what I mean. Here's why it happens. Birkenstocks turn black because your feet secrete oil when they sweat. Dirt gets ingrained in the footbed and it makes discoloration worse with use. The footbed reacts to the oil from your feet and it blackens over time. You can help prevent these black stains by keeping your feet and your Birkenstocks clean and dry, and by using an antiperspirant foot spray. If this heavily grosses you out, there are some footbeds in the Birkenstocks range which won't turn black and slimy. Their EVA range just won't turn black and it's so easy to clean, and their microfiber footbeds are also a pretty good stain resistant option. I have linked to those in the description so you can take a look at the style and see if you like it. For help on preventing Birkenstocks from turning black in the first place, I have a full guide which I have linked in the description as well for you. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button to help it reach more people. Thanks a lot and enjoy your Birkenstocks.